Hi, this is Pro Troubleshooter. We give you instant solutions when you have troubles with Rocker's products. When the controller shows connection error message, or the connection icon turns gray, it means the controller connection had failed and need to be. First, make sure the power is connected and turned on. Put the controller back to the station. Enter the setting page and press Start to search. The connection should be rebuilt right away. If not, please turn the controller off. Remove the battery from its back. Reinstall and restart the controller. When the connection icon turns blue, it's good to go.